everybody, this is my sprint interval training. So snoring is most serious problem when we take a sleep. So it prevents our breathing, and besides of my partner will dislike to my snoring voice. So how can we increase the snoring? It's by sprint interval training. So snoring is the reason of that our cardiorespiratory, like lung and heart, is more weak than we are young. And then we take a snoring, and it is very serious problem. Just as snoring can appear it from our neck, but other things is the same difficult to our body. So my suggestion is that